the guessing game?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. So, remember, Daddy koala.
Mommy koala.
Baby koala.
Baby koala. Good. And flip. Good. And our numbers are
1,
2, 3,
4.
Good. Okay, we're ready. Who wants to go? Olivia. Okay, Olivia. Pick a card. Say, can I
Can I
have a card?
have a card?
Yes. Okay, now hide it. Okay, come here. Okay, and we are going to guess what Olivia has. Okay, so I'll start. Are you 1?
No.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Are you 3? No, I'm not.
Are you 4?
No, I'm not.
Good job, Olivia.
Are you 2?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Good. Are you Flip?
No, I'm not.
Are you baby koala?
No, I'm not.
Are you Daddy Koala?
No.
Are you mommy koala?
I am mommy koala.
Good job. Okay, now it's your turn, Andrea. Can I have a card?
Can I have a card, please?
Yes, you can have a card. Okay, hide it and take Olivia's spot. Switch. Okay, now say, ask me.
Ask me.
2. Are you 2?
2.
No, I'm not.
Are you 4?
No, I'm not.
Are you 1?
Yes, I am.
Are you baby koala?
Yes, I am.
Yay!